Hi, my name's Graham Laurie. I am the Partnerships Director at ACS International Schools. I just thought I'd do a quick video to update you on the progress of our respirator project. So on Monday this week, our masks were tested. They were hooked up to all the machines in the hospital, and the results that came back were slightly disappointing because too much O2 was leaking from the various connectors. Now, there might be several reasons for this. Firstly, the parts can sometimes be quite porous when they come out of a 3D printing machine. And secondly, where the parts fix together. The parts that slotted together were a tight fit, but it is entirely possible that air was able to leak from those joints, and so we needed to do something about that. So the first thing we did was we printed a new batch of parts. These are a slightly different design with an even tighter fit. Here you can see the new parts coming off the 3D printer, taking off the glass plate. The pieces we're removing is the support material that the printer needs to build a structure which doesn't touch the plate. As you can see, we've only used support material from the plate to the build itself because we're not allowed to use support material inside the product. To ensure that the joints were absolutely airtight, we decided to silicone seal them shut. And so we've taken just standard silicone sealant and painted that on the inside and outside of each part, connected them together, and then just rubbing the seal around the outside to ensure an absolutely perfect fit. Now, we've done this for each and every 3D printed part so that everything is connected as it should be. We've also silicone sealed these parts onto the mask itself. The next thing to tackle is the plastic being potentially porous, and so we make up a solution of PVA glue and water, and we painted that all over the product. Now, this looks white when it's painted on, but when it sets it will go completely clear, so you won't be able to see it. And so that's it. Mark II is complete. We will be packaging these up and sending them out to the hospital today, which means we've had a 2-day turnaround from the results from the first test to actually getting these ones in the post. Okay, so our next batch of masks are winging away to the hospital. They're in the post as we speak. Hopefully they'll arrive tomorrow, and then the hospital can test them and see if our adaptations to the design have worked. Fingers crossed. If you want to help, please do use this link to donate towards our Just Giving page. We'll be using that money for 2 things. First one is we'll be helping local children on free school meals, and the second thing is obviously paying for parts and bits and pieces for this project. So please do use the link, drop us a donation if you can. Every little helps, and we'll spend that money as wisely as we possibly can to support those in need. Thanks for watching.